and sent out to the class, and we make them according to your will and not of our will. We ask that you remind us to come alongside you as we surrender everything daily to fulfill your will or purpose. Dear Lord, please align our hearts with yours, our ideas with yours, and our will with yours. For your ways are higher than ours, and your plans are greater than ours, and nothing is impossible with you, Lord. Bring us every step of the way. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Thank you, Ma'am Liz, nga invited into prayer. At ang po yung basit, nga regular, with the this attendees of this activity. Pana,
Video eh. Ayaw pumasok.
video.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, for today's sponsor, Rainbit Conference here, here in the LBSF. First one, our top members, we have Sir Victor Panyol, Sir Geoffrey Macpala, Sir Marcando Lara, yours truly, our Vice Chair, Sir Doming Makatugal, of course, our back chairman, Sir Federico Ipadua. So we have 6 members. Joining us today is our TWG Chair, Sir Clifford Garal, also our government head, Sir Bernardo Dayal, and the different ones, programmers, and headed by our chief architect, Mario Pilang, and QC Arag, Mamita Rila, Maylin, Guronan. Also, we have also one
Prospective video.
prospective leader, asset leader from our company, sir. Golden Treaty. Okay, welcome, sir. But this one, sir, we are live and we are also recorded, sir, through YouTube. So again, to our prospective leaders, you can also view this and question. You can ask questions if you want during the presentation of the different projects. So with this, we have a forum here. We are production research here.
Okay, thank you, Sir Gerald. The unity of the back members are present. So we have the photo as activities now open. Just would like to inform the prospective leaders that this is scheduled 10 civil works project and already undergone the pre-procurement activity. So we need to say what we will be discussing for today is the programmer will just give you the technical data, scope of work, and the procurement head will be giving some details and information as to regards and the dealing with the conducted. So that also I would like to remind our prospective leaders that this while it was mentioned by Sir Gaylord that this is the proper forum. Kasi during the meeting, wala na tayong presentation. So, Sir First, we'll review the details of the project that for this activity.
Morning everyone, welcome to our procurement activity, the Rainbit Conference of Civil Works Project. For the first project, this is block ID 25PD 0043. Project name, construction, completion of critical building, Barangay Landik, Sabana, Cagayan. The project location, Barangay Landik, Sabana, Cagayan. Scope of work, construction of multi-purpose building. The approved budget for the contract, 2,970,000. Cost of fund, GAE at 1.25. The project duration, 130 calendar days. The amount of PD documents is 5,000 pesos. For the work experience requirements for project excellent. For project engineer must be at least accredited technical project engineer. For the minimum requirement, please refer to the BD BD documents.
Okay, this request to the programmer that is on 25 BT004.
Ito yung magkakaroon ng program. Project programmer amount of scope of works, this project or extension of one sponsor. So including teachers, education, sample, meron po more things na pwedeng po nila so main po ng barangay dyan is why additional po na software tools for search. HPS is fun po sa business.
Plus 3 million additional ones na. That already complete
Yes po sir.
with flooring.
Yes po sir.
So wala ka na nga dyan. Wala ka na siya. With lightings, lahat.
Meron na po sir.
So kompleto, ready for use.
Meron po sir.
Use again.
Mata. Yung mala rin boses.
Sino ba yung nagkumuha sa sobrang prep?
Sir, no remarks during prep rock.
No remarks during the prep rock. For the project, wala walang remarks. Yeah. We need your suggestion, di ba? Kung meron, just feel free to back in. Okay, we will now proceed to the next project. Project will be 045. The first.
For project number 2, IT25BD 0045. Project name, construction of multipurpose building, convertible to evacuation center, Barangay Tapelis, Solana, Cagayan. Scope of work, construction of multipurpose building. The approved budget for the contract is 4,950,000. Source of funds, BAE FY 2025. The project duration 165 calendar days. Amount of bidding documents is 5,000 pesos. Council for the work experience requirements for the personnel. The required project engineer must be at least accredited provisional project engineer. For the minimum major equipment requirements, please refer to the bid in the sheet of the bidding documents.
Okay, thank you, Sir Perch. Yung programmer natin. And same, okay.
Sir, dito lang po sa yan is po sir 5 million po sir. Dito po ay construction po ng standard estimation po sir. New po.
Standard. Ano ba tayo yan?
16 meters by 28 meters sir.
Your 5 million is enough for that project?
No po sir. Bali ang ano po sir, wrapping is lang po ng electrical and down spot lang po for the sanitary. Yun po yung kulang dun sa ano.
So yung total physical to be accomplished niya, please name it, Mr. J.
You give the scope of work.
Sir, structural po completed naman po, roofing, painting, plastering po sir.
Structural and that means from the color to putting.
Yes, putting to beams. Yan, beams.
Yung picture, ito, with painting,
Opo.
about flooring,
Sa flooring po sir, meron din.
meron din. So, naka-wrapping sa for electrical connections.
Opo sir.
Chair.
Sir?
Delete chair.
Yes sir.
Meron din.
Meron din.
So, ibig sabihin, it can be used for that type of basement, kaya lang, wala lang siyang ilaw.
Yes po sir.
Walang ilaw.
Wala po
Natin,
sir.
so, just the, one like, just yung gymnasium accomplished, ano lang, structure lang yung completed.
Yes po.
So, wala, ang problema lang yung ilaw. So, sa araw na pwede na pang gamitin siguro.
That area,
That area.
16 by 28. Tapos,
Opo sir.
Wala problema sa lote.
Wala no.
Sigurado ka.
donation.
Wala problema sa lote kan. Architect sir.
Yes, sir.
Meron? Yes sir. Wala.
Maylin, yung naging findings sa Pedro.
No remarks din po.
It's project papers, number 3.
For project number 3, contract ID 25BD 0131. Project name, construction of public attorney's office building. Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. Project location, adding Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. Scope of work, construction of multipurpose building. The approved budget for the contract is 9,800,000. Source of funds, GAFY 2025. Contract duration, 223 calendar days.
Yes, sir.
The amount of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. For the work experience requirements and minimum major equipment requirements, please refer to the PD the city. For the required project engineer, must be at least accredited professional project engineer.
Thank you, Okay, thank you, sir. First, programmer natin, give the technical details.
Sir, for the public attorney's office po, sir, accounting 10 million po, sir. New construction po siya, sir, with the dimensions of 18 meters by 30 meters po, sir, two-story building.
By 30.
Yes po, 30 meters po. Two-story building. Sir, ang main scope niya po is earthworks po since 2 meters po yung elevation niya po, sir, rolling po siya. Kaya nag-cut po kami, sir. Tapos, nag-fill po kami dun sa may, ano, sir, sa may kulang po, sir.
Ang bid, ang ginawa, ang bid.
Tapos, for structural works po, sir, yun na lang po yung pang, ano, sir, yung fill po dun sa may post niya po, sir. And inclusion niya po, sir, is yung foundation po. And floor beam slab for the 24 meters by 14.5 meters. Yung main po na structure niya po, sir. Tapos, nag-cut po siya dun sa may half po ng second floor po, sir. Sa concrete po.
Okay na sa program dyan?
Yes po, sir.
Bakit nag-cut?
And yun lang po yung kaya, sir. Then dun naman po sa ano, sir. Ang hindi po nabuhusan ng slab sa second floor, sir, is yung wings po, left and right wing. Tapos yung front po, sir, yung lobby. Dito po, sir.
Mr. Chair, no, with regards to the programmer, you have to fill it, your detail, your protocol details, ano? Kasi mga abogado yung nandyan, no, mamaya.
Ang nakita ko kanina, Mr. Chair, walang concurrent. So, kailangan ipa-concur natin ito.
Take the notes, sino kung alam millions.
Pakongkar mo yung ano,
Pakongkar yung
para na-inform sila, no?
Yes, sir. Pero may hatch.
Hindi lang.
Pero na-discuss nyo
Ito, Sir Chair, like for those, ano, for those designers, the hatching of the plan is not enough. You have to put technical remarks. Para mabasa nila dyan, di naman marunong, yung mga lawyer, di naman marunong magbasa ng plano. Mas maganda yung i-dikit natin sa remarks na yan, na ito rin yung nagagawa, ito rin yung color of view.
Scope of work wala ito.
Wala? Okay.
I remember, yung una kasi, parang nakuha natin yan. Kasi ang reason, yung ginamit na lupa. Kaya na nag-revise tayo doon. Di ba?
Yes, sir. Tama yan.
Tama yun. Sa po yun eh.
CMPD, sir. Musta ka?
Sa CFPD. Ngayon, ano bang ginagawa dyan?
Sir, nagsalit po ng
Malaki ba yung naging diferensya?
Sir, parang meron po siyang ginawa sa naman po, sir, na ano, na structure po din, sir. May
Hindi, ano
dinagdag
yung nabawasan?
sa structural po, sir.
Sa structure kayo. Pero yung first floor niya, yung pwedeng for occupancy na. Kasi two story.
Hindi po, sir.
Ay, hindi pa rin. Kasi malaki. Kasi 85. Tinatanong ko lang yung naging revision.
Magkano amount yan?
10 million.
Yung first phase. Malaki siya. Yeah, malaki.
Tapos, within the LGC yan,
Yes po.
Yes, sir.
may identified lot
Yes, sir.
na binigay?
In between po ng LRA sa kanyang Commission on Human Rights. Balang po ng office natin. At the same time, kasi yan, Sir Perds, at the same time na nagkaroon ng revised plan, in-update na rin yung CMPD.
Ikaw ang nag-point dito, Sir Gerald, doon na bigay ng information regarding the project na yung nagamit natin na CMPD.
Revise na.
Di ba? Kaya sinubject natin yan.
All-
Ulitin and revision. Kaya tinatanong ko, anong pinagkaiba ngayon ng original at sa bago ngayon? Marami ba natanggal? Hindi naman siguro.
Hindi naman po malaki yung bawas, sir, sa
Pero, sabi ni Juan, hindi ba na-compare?
Oo. Wala bang concurrent siya?
Kaya ipa-compare din natin sa mga. Oh,
We'll give them ako na lang sir, separate plan for concurrence. Pero
hindi kailangan din natin.
O,
Plan
bago,
natin na may
bago
compare
mabigyan,
din
Yes, sir.
dapat
I mean, sir,
concurrence din.
magbigay tayo separate for concur.
natin. Mapanalapit
Kasi pag antayan sila, matagal eh. Mapayak to.
Maya, may query sila, hindi na alam yung.
Anyway, sir, na-discuss naman niya, architect niya na yan, sir. Before pa yung mga preparation sa PAO mismo.
Alam naman nila,
Alam nila yan.
wala tayo.
Lagay kasi gusto ko yung space sa may title block na contact by office of the blah blah blah. That's yung kifirma doon. Kasi may contact by office of the blah blah blah.
Oh. Sumayin, ano ba naging findings? Ano yung law remarks din?
Pero ganun lang. Concurrent.
Kasi ma'am,
Ayaw. Tama.
okay. Any more query? Wala na? Next project, Silbert?
Next speaker. Okay, so for first project, project ID 25BD 0151, construction of multi-purpose building, including site development. Barangay ng Alasawan, ang Ulo, Cagayan, Phase 2. Scope of work, construction of multi-purpose building. The approved budget for the contract is 17,370,000. Source of funds, GAA FY 2025. Budget duration, 190 calendar days. The amount of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos. For the work experience requirements, the required project engineer must be at least provisional project engineer. For the minimum major equipment requirements, please refer to the bid data sheet.
Accredited.
The bid
Accredited. Yung programmer natin.
So, bali yung programmer po.
Ikaw,
Kano mo?
Hindi po, bali designer lang po. 16 million.
ikaw design. Sino
Designer
programmer?
po, si Engineer Omar po.
Wala siya.
At sa site po.
At least pag yung nag-design mo kapag bigay ka ng technical data niya.
Limit scope of work.
So, yung scope of work po dito sa Luwani po, sir. Lalo
Bali continuation no.
continuation po nung buhos po ng roof slab. Bali, roof slab na po, steel deck po siya. And kasama na po yung beams, and then yung natirang column po, lahat po yung mabubuhusan. And yung structural framing po ng rampa, hanggang second floor na po. From footing, tie beams, and yung slope po ng ramp, saka yung roof po, mabubuhusan na po. Pero wala po siyang architectural mga CHB. Then yung perimeter fence din po, makukumpleto na rin po. Yung perimeter fence po, na buong perimeter fence po, makukumpleto po yung sa structural hanggang yung CHB po. Pero yung may part po kasi doon na-design ng mga steel works na ang pangharang po, hindi po naisama yun.
Kung two-story yan, may may roofing yan.
Yes po, bali roof slab po. Ay, roof slab lang po sir.
Roof slab po.
Buhos po.
Yung ground po pwede yung for occupancy, di ba? First floor. Dapat mo idun na yung fence.
As per instruction po nung
May title kasi site development.
including site development. Kaya naglagay po, naglagay na kayo.
Kasi pag hindi pa po, nung naman yung fence, hindi pa pala
Opo, bali yun po yung unang concern sa amin na pinalik
para
po.
ma-justify lang yung project title.
Yes sir.
Ay, dito yung pan natin, prospective bidders, baka may tanong ka, sir, regarding the project.
Sir Chair, ano yung mga scope sa site development?
Yun lang po sir, purely yung ano lang po sir, yung perimeter fence lang po. From footing, tie beam, hanggang sa CHB na po. Bali,
Anong height?
ano po sir? 5 meters po ang total height na po sir.
Kasi billion, di ba?
5 meters po.
Doon napunta yung major
Hindi po sir. Sa parts, bali yung sa nakarang ano sir, concern po, na hindi lang po naisama yung sa plano yung plano po nung buhos nung roof deck po. Bali po sa estimate po as per Engineer Omer, lumalabas po na 30% lang po yung high drain na napunta dun sa mas marami pa rin.
Kasi parang may ano dyan technically, parang hindi, kasi pag sinabi mo, identify mo yung plan sa development, but at least, majority of that fund that goes to the names of the structure or project. Pagka sa COA, pagka tayo, sa development plan, bakit napunta naman sa thing?
What's yung title kasi niya, Moses Kwan? Construction of multipurpose building including site development.
Including.
Naka-incorporate kasi, so dapat meron din sa...
Wala bang guardhouse dyan?
Meron po sa
Naka-incorporate sa
naisama na po sa phase 1 yung sa guardhouse po.
sa phase 1, sama na yung guardhouse.
Yung purpose kasi ng site development yan is while ongoing yung project to protect din yung area kasi
Isa dyan, sa gitna.
madami kasing pumapasok sir eh. As per report ng mga previous contractor dyan is may mga ninanakaw na ng mga installed na mga
Okay ba, may nawawala sa inyo?
Within the building lang yan? Yung site development.
Walang nawawala.
Buo na.
Ako, within the building.
since hindi pa occupied yung area secure muna natin.
Pero ngayon, kahit target nyo, makibit nyo dyan. Pero hindi pa sigurado sa iyo yan. Mag-type ka para manalo ka.
Mamatay sila, panagtag, baka mamatay sila. Baka mamatay sila.
Eh, guardhouse, wala namang guard.
Totoo ka. Mag-dive po, wala.
Mamaman, any ka? At least,
Revision of plan and POWs to reflect the teacher's scope of work in accordance with
Yun na po yun sir yung naging concern.
yung sinama niya na yung site development.
Hindi po, roof deck po kasi. Yung sa TV po,
Wala yung deck.
hindi po na
Pero hindi pa ready for punch yan.
May 22 ada mas doon. Good night, 26 tama na si Bro.
May question ka?
Ma'am, sa mga kami, mga handog din, may 22 siguro.
kasama siya sa
Sa Banguna Electrical.
Meron?
yung mga conduit po na
Doon sa slab.
kasama.
Dapat importante dyan. Dapat na.
Yung sa salitaan,
Wala ka bang secretary sa
bali, ano sir?
Kailangan na.
Rough-ins lang.
Electrical lang po yung
Kesa mag-tik ka na lang sa suka mo lang ba?
Although naka-ano naman yun, typical
Suka
lang.
mo na lang.
Sa pang, ano lang naman siya ang yabang sa taas yung pang drainage lang po.
Yung sa
Yung gilid lang ang siya.
habang na hindi ka na plan na yan.
Meron naman po sa phase 1
Sa plan.
Opo.
Pero dun sa
Hindi lang po na isa lang.
rough inch ng
Electrical.
hindi sa sanitary yung mga
Siya.
siya.
Meron naman po sa plan. Naibigay na po sa kanila.
Wala naman ng fixtures.
Wala lang.
Wala.
Habang yung
Mga gamitin nila, hindi ba yun ang gamit, ang hira na.
di ba? Wala. The first, procedure number 5.
For project number 5, contract ID 25PD 0152, Nag-ignite construction of drainage system along Tuguegarao Diversion Road 2, Tuguegarao City, Cagayan, phase 4. Scope of work, construction of drainage system. Approved budget for the contract, 11,760,000. Source of funds, AEF 2025. Contract duration, 200 calendar days. Amount of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. For the work experience requirements and minimum major equipment requirements, please refer to the bid agencies of the bidding.
Okay, thank you, sir. First, si Ma'am Kubrigano.
Ikaw naman.
Sir, Mr. Chair, ang nakita ko dito, is it for modification ito?
Yes sir, for
Yes, sir.
Ha?
Bali yan na yung corrected.
Corrected.
Pero, approve din mo yan.
Di ba sir?
Pa.
Wala pang one sir eh. Wala pang saro sir.
Hindi, ibig ko sabihin, yung pangalan yung form O, di siya na ginamit natin. Yun ang point doon, para hindi na tayo magbago ulit. Wala pang saro pa naman yun.
Wala pa siguro.
Ano ba yung resultant ng voting?
Ano yung ano?
Yeah. Para ma-justify natin.
Reduhin nyo lang
Baka yung target.
yan ang submission
Yan ang target.
design target. Baka mamaya, yun na rin yan.
Nandiyan sa March.
Si Kwan yan eh, si Atty. Sana, no?
Pwesto rin. Tatawagan natin siya.
Later.
Yes, there are most kailangan niya.
Yes, there lang. Yes, there.
Si Architect, malaki lang.
Sige, sir. Yes, there are.
July? Morning. July, may bid kasi tayo ngayon, yung Together Diversion Road na drainage.
Phase 5.
Phase 5. Phase 4 pala. Bakit full modification ito? Nag-decrease. Physical target ang problema.
Sa physical, pero sa project title, wala.
So sa title niya, walang problema. Yung physical target lang. Okay, good. Thank you.
Yun lang, give lang yung detail. Ito ba yung continuation ng phase 3? Ako yun. Siyempre ako yung
Nagpalopan kay Mr.
Along Together Route Diversion Road, sir. Phase 4. We are from station 0 plus 142 to station 0 plus 570, sir, with a total of 430 linear meter line canal box culvert po, sir.
typical yung mga design dyan sa phase 3. Nandun din ang location, Sergio?
Continuation ng line to natin ng phase 3.
Dito sa Jerian, ito papuntang
Florida.
Oo, traffic lang.
Sa left. Puntang Florida sa left side.
Yes, sir. Papuntang Florida. Left side.
Saan ang outflow?
Bali sa Caritan Creek.
Sa Cartanori na lang.
Harvest na naman yan.
Yung ang problema nga natin dyan, sir, is yung naman
Yung
sa
babaan ka doon sa
bali nilipat natin doon sa Palog, sir.
Kaya nga,
Sa inner portion muna.
portion na lang.
Ilalabas.
Pwede yun. Mag-import tayo ng private sa okay na.
Bali, mayroon namang initial na coordination kay Kapitan, sir.
Pero yung mga mga pag-ongoing project.
So, paano yung J-Rens ito sa harap ni J-Rens?
So, punting J-Rens yan? Other side, sir.
Florida.
Anong Florida line?
Paano ba yan, engineer? Di ba mababa yun, no? Yung level ng drainage mo, pagdating doon, bababa rin ng gano'n.
Sa pan natin nilalagay muna, sir. Doon sa outside ng pavement.
Outside mo na.
Dito sa baba ng pan. Baba ng
parapet.
Yes, sir.
Kaya kasi,
Tabi na.
imagine ko yung bumaba siya eh. Eh pag bumaba ka, magkakaroon ko din ng extension na doon sa may parapet. Para may...
Ito lang ganito na pundasyon doon.
Yes, sir.
Paano yung encroachment natin sa
private property.
Diba, labas na ng daan, tapos doon mo ilagay yung
Private property.
Labas ng parapet?
Oo.
Yes, sir.
Eh, mamahirap ka. Imagine mo kayo, bumaba ka doon eh. Feel ko doon, backfill ka ng konti. Nakulit mo yung dikit ito sa road. Ito ba yung design? Pero tinapos ka may install na sobrang yun ha.
Pero, sir.
Kasi yung slope.
Saan ang beginning?
Beginning niya, sir. Dito sa yung outflow.
Outflow going. Yung detail nila. Pero saan nakabot?
Dito ka? Hindi Ito yung
Hindi pa abot sa Florida.
Hanggang kung siguro yan, 5-star.
Doon sa Kitang Jeep, di ba? May mga payo niya. Diyan mga payo.
Yun nga yung tinatanong ko kasi,
Alam mo, dito ka,
kasi bababa yung doon.
kasi pag sa mga kasi sir, dito natin ilalagay sa may inner ng pavement. Ang laki nung pa natin sir, nung bukay.
Ayo,
Mataas yung ano.
yes, traffic doon.
Yes sir. Pero ano size nito? Palit lang yan sir, nasa 1.8 lang tayo. 1.8. Walang magreklamo. Kaya, kasi may initial lang sir. May
Basta
initial.
naman na yun eh.
Oo, may initial na coordination kay Kapitan sa Panlo.
May coordination.
Okay naman sa kanila dito, parte sir. Dito na kasi sir, yung papuntang
Ito
Panlo.
yung Greg,
Yes, sir.
hindi shortcut mo ng ganun, di ba?
Pero,
Yung level niya nandito sa baba.
Ayan nga, ba?
Yung sa baba sa
Hindi sir, hindi natin nile-level doon. Hanggang baba. Basta ang importante, yung flooring niya lang.
Mag-film ka dyan, mag-install mo sonri ka.
Oh, sa bagay kung tanggalin mo yung slope na yan, tapos
Hindi sir, vertical yung
hindi, vertical yung sila dyan.
hindi ibig ko sabihin yung dating stormason
Wala,
niya,
vertical na, vertical.
Ipakay na lang ito sir.
Ibigat mo na ako ibigat mo nun Joel. You have to roads you have to drainage mo na then yung level ng baba. Di lagyan mo na lang yan, pila mo yan, tapos kapag di ba? Pipila mo to. Yun na. Pero may imagine mo, mababa ito.
Wala rin yan. Pag nagbara sa Florida, kuha lahat yan. Hindi rin mag-serve yan. Sa walang minor na ulan-ulan, kaya. Pero pag talagang flooding,
pero baka mag-backflow yan.
Bali ang talaga yan sir, ang
sino
maximum
yan? Kasi nakuha mo Florida.
ang tolerance na talaga yan sir, yung sa Caritan Creek kapag umangat
Puno na yan.
yung Caritan Creek ng hanggang doon sa pile cap ng 1 meter,
Wala, kuha na yan.
level na yung
Kasi
flooring ng grade.
kasi bumababa yan dahil doon sa tinang na yan.
Eh kung lagyan natin ng parang yung sa drainage natin na i-block yan, na wala lang ng hours, doon sa baba, doon sa tulo niya, para walang backflow.
Pwede,
Oo.
plus gate, pwede.
Mas gate, ilak mo.
Pwede sir.
Check.
Pero wala pa to.
Check dito.
Pero
Pero wala
ang-
kang
Ano yung
backflow.
limit niya rin? Hanggang sa may 5-star na? 5-star terminal.
Hindi mo lang yung length niya.
Yung length lang, mag-umpisa ka rin ng bridge hanggang
Five-star pa.
Hindi, hanggang Florida pa lang.
hanggang Florida.
Okay ah.
Real.
Lagyan natin ng gate para wala tayong
Pagkin nyo muna yung harap ng Florida, tapos iwanan nyo. Nagagana si 5-star. Hindi, good po. Okay. So, good. Baka
Tulak na naman na reklamo yun.
ano naging findings?
As sir, revise the ladder pattern of catch basin from section 8A, page 7 of the
Advice? Na-rectify na?
Rectify that and basta
Mas na-rectify na?
Medyo about na.
Sir Jeff, query ka?
Wala naman na yan.
Okay. Ayun lang, so proceed na. Third, number 6.
for project number 6.
Thank you.
Track 1925 BD 0153. Project name, construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Pengiruyo, Tuguegarao City. Scope of work, construction of multipurpose building. The approved budget for the contract, 9,900,000.
10 million. Yan yung malapit
Source
sa
of funds, EAA FY 2025. Project duration, 243 calendar days. Amount of bidding documents, 10,000.
Sa tabi ni
For the work experience requirements for the key personnel, the required project engineer must be at least accredited professional project engineer. For the minimum major equipment requirements, please refer to the bid leadership of the bidding department.
Thank you, sir. I think you give the details.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. So itong FPV na pengen natin, sir, this is a construction of a 10 by 8
10 by 8.
yes, sir, barangay hall, which is a 3-story barangay hall, sir. Yung ground floor po niya will be used as nursery o yung mga daycare natin, sir. May CR po sa baba, including PWD. And then yung second floor po niya, sir, yun po ang mag-act as office of the barangay captain and then of the SB members. Yung third floor po niya, sir, will be the evacuation center. And then, meron po siyang roof plan, naka-roof po siya, sir. Isang side lang po yung tapon po ng tubig. And then, yung scope of work nito, sir, is from structural up to finishing works. So, meaning po, sir, tapos po yung whole structure. And then,
Meron
meron
for occupancy.
yes, sir. And then, meron po itong demolition kasi may existing po na building po doon dyan. So, kasali po sa program yung demolition po ng building.
Sa tabi ng gymnasium yan?
Yes, sir. Yung may existing po na single story po na daycare center. Tatanggal po yun and then ipapalit po natin.
Pero may
Tatanggal lang.
Demolish.
pero kasama yung cost sa demolition.
Yes, sir. Included po yun, sir. Tapos meron po itong fire alarm system and then meron din po siyang aircon, sir. Tapos meron po siyang tawag dito, water pump including yung ating ancient stainless na tank po. Yes, sir.
Kasi 3-story.
Yes, sir. That's all, sir.
Sa
Magkano amount yan?
10 million, sir.
sa location, walang problema.
Wala naman po, sir. Well coordinated naman po kayo.
Tingnan nyo lang yung demolition, kailangan natin clearance yun.
Nabanggit naman na po namin kay Kapitan, sir. Sila na po yung mag-secure po naman. Yes, sir.
Provide ng pan,
Yes, sir. Sa COA po.
For once. Mamailin?
Sir, change the thickness of the cornice
Na-address na po yun, sir.
From
sir,
Ano dati?
2.6 to 2.5.
Yes, sir. Na-address na po yun, sir. Structural po.
2.6,
2.4.
bumaba.
Yes, sir.
Bakit over-design yung una?
Yes, sir. Kaya nakaparapet lang naman kasi tayo, sir. So, as per ano naman ni Sir Jay, ano na lang yung kasi
Diyos.
sa market, ikaw yung ganun. Yes, kasi sir.
Pero sa strength, ang affected yung building.
Hindi naman, sir. Kasi dun sa ibang ano naman natin, sir. Ganun din naman yun. Ginamit natin, sir.
3-story. Bakit sa 2-story? Pwede.
Nakaparapet naman siya, sir.
Sa
Yes,
taas.
sir. Naka-enclose po yung ano niya, sir.
Thickness yun, thickness.
Yes, sir.
2.6, 2.4.
Puro, sir.
Pwede. Pwede na.
Pakaba.
Wala na.
Next project. Project number 7. Identify BD0154. Name construction of multipurpose building convertible to evacuation center Barangay Bawal East. Wala na ganyan. 4. Construction of multipurpose building. The approved budget for the contract is
yan yung
4,950,000. Source of funds, GEFY 2025. Yan yung housing regulation, 187 calendar days. Amount of bidding document is 5,000 pesos. The required project engineer for this project here must be at least accredited commercial project accredited. For the minimum majority requirements, please refer to the bidding document.
Okay, thank you, Sir Percy. We think you give the details of the technical details.
Again, good morning, Mr. Chair. So this is a construction of 10 by 20 yes, sir, na single-story building for evacuation centers. Yes. So, ang ano natin sa scope of work niya is from foundation up to finishing windows. So, matatapos po ito, sir.
Yes, story.
Single-story lang, sir.
Yung concern natin,
yes, sir. During the frame of work, yung concern natin doon, sir, is na-designate na ano siya, may mga divisions, partitions. So, ang ginawa namin ngayon, sir, is drywall open muna siya, and then discretion naman ko yan ng end user, sir, after the ano, kung lalagyan nila ng partition.
Naging issue yata ni Vice Chair doon is one parang apartment yung dating.
Yes, sir. So, ang ginawa namin ni Mr. Chair, yes, sir, ang ginawa namin ni Mr. Chair is isang buong building na lang. Wala na yung firewall niya doon.
Saan na napunta ngayon yung cost ng partition?
Sir.
Yung cost ng partition
Nilagay na namin sa mga finishing niya, sir.
Nagkaroon ng finishing?
Yes, sir.
Ready for occupancy?
Yes, sir.
Okay naman, coordinated na sa kay barangay captain kasi
Yes,
yung
sir.
una si barangay captain nag-request ka mo na may
No, sir.
partition.
The mayor, sir.
Ay,
Sila.
mayor.
Yes, sir.
Na-inform na si mayor na gano'n ang design natin.
Yes, sir. Including si project ko.
Okay, siya. Okay naman. Ma'am Maylin,
Sir, you change the perspective and provide actual perspective based on the scope, sir.
Na-address na po yung Mr. Chair.
site, walang problema sa site.
Yes, sir. Si malaki naman po yun. Actually, yung site niya, sir, is a designated area for evacuation, sir. At saka housing din ng LGU, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, easy pa. Sir Joe, ano yung plan? Okay. So first, proceed to project number 8.
For project number 8, kindly 25 BD 0155. Project name, construction of multi-purpose buildings. Convertible evacuation center, Barangay Centro, Southeast, Solanang, Cagayan.
Southeast.
The project location, Barangay Centro, Southeast, Solanang, Cagayan. Of 4, construction of multi-purpose building. The approved budget for the contract is 4,950,000. Source of funds, GAA FY 2025. Project duration, 176 calendar days. Amount of bidding documents is 5,000 pesos. Okay, for the work experience requirements, the required project engineer must be at least accredited professional project engineer. For the minimum major equipment requirements, please refer to the bid data sheet of the bidding documents. Okay.
Okay, so first, programmer natin.
Sir, for the number 8 po, sir, construction of multi-purpose building po, sir, Centro Southeast po, sir, Solanang. Sir, dun po sa standard na ano po, sir, mas maliit po siya compared dun sa 16 by 20.
Anong session?
7 by 16.8 meters po, sir.
Bakit?
And yun po yung kasya sa lote, sir. Tapos, dun po, sir, sa gymnasium din, sir, meron po siyang multi-purpose hall po, sir. Sa rear part po ng ano, sir, ng gym po. 7 meters by 5.6 po. Isang span po yung nasakop niya. Then, sir, since meron pong naka-connect na drainage po, sir, tapos bangin po yung likod po ng lote, sir. May drainage system po, sir, na 1 meter depth, 1 by 1 meter width na box culvert, sir. Tapos yung length niya po, sir, is 32.8 meters po, sir. 6 meters po sa harap po, sir. And then 16.8 po, sir. Bale, 22 po. Right? Tapos basta may 4 meters po na offset po, sir. With the 2 manhole po, sir. Both ends po ng drainage po, sir. Tapos doon naman po sa multi-purpose wall niyo po, sir. Sa scope of works niyo po, sir, may windows na rin po, doors, building, tsaka finishing po, sir. Tapos, kompleto na rin po, sir, may fixtures po yung CR niya. And then sa electrical po, sir, meron na po lahat except po yung air conditioning units po. Yun lang po.
Ready for occupancy?
Yes po, sir.
Maalala ko, yan yung may septic tank
Yes, sir.
Opo, sir.
na nilagay sa loob ng pavement ng gym. Hindi pwede lipat sa labas.
Nailipat na, sir. Yes, sir.
Nilipat
Sa likod portion.
sa likod. Oo, mas malapit pa sa CR yun.
Yun nga po, sir.
Huwag nyo ilagay sa main pavement. Paano yung pag naglinis ka na puno?
Yes, sir.
Ha?
Including din yung concern mo ng Mr. Chair na yung ano niya, yung manhole din.
Oo.
Na-address na rin po.
Na-address na rin po
Yes,
na lahat.
Opo.
Yun lang naman naging project ngayon.
Tsaka yung change the facade lettering from
Yes, sir.
issue
Na-address na rin.
purpose buildings.
Nawala na yung kaunlaran. Yes, sir. Ginawang multi-purpose.
Meron pa rin yun. Kaya huwag yun lang ilagay sa plan.
Yes, sir.
Silent na tayo.
Salita na lang ng maulad na.
Di ba?
At least, may replacement na maulad na.
Alin?
Okay? Seryo, wala lang.
Ito pala may bagong labas na guidelines on the installation of public billboards.
Ay, bago.
Na 82,
Pero
2025.
yung effectivity, hindi naman sa
Bagay, oh.
Saka na natin discuss yan. Kasi may timeline naman yung
Ito. Pag-isin nyo yung sa mga bagong project
susunod
na.
na programming.
Sa mga next na, sir.
82 series, yes, 2025.
Wala na? Okay. Sir Perch, project number na?
Project
Pura
number
si Sir Mark, kailangan yata ito eh.
Wala
Contract
na.
ID 25 BD 156. Project name, construction of Department of Information and Communications Technology Building, DICT.
Yung Carlson,
Cagayan City, Cagayan. Scope of work, construction of building. The approved budget for the contract is 9,800,000. Source of funds, GAA FY 2025. Project duration, 223 calendar days. The amount of meeting documents is 10,000 pesos. The required project engineer for this project, sir, must be at least provisional project engineer. And for the minimum major equipment requirements, please refer to the bid data sheet of the bidding requirements. Yes, sir.
Okay, the future first, programmer natin.
Sir,
Technical details.
for the construction of new one po, sir. Ang
The ICT lang.
Yes, sir. The ICT po, sir, is, ang dimension niya po, sir, 42 meters
Ba't ganyan kalalaki?
By?
Ano niya?
by 18 po, sir.
18. Okay. Ilang milyon yan?
10
10 million
10 million na kaya sana nga buti.
Last story,
to
Three-story yan actually, sir.
propose.
Yes, sir.
Empleyado ng alam. Ilan ba yung empleyado ng DICT, Mario?
Sure.
Ilan ba yung empleyado ng DICT?
As per sa ano nila, sir, mga nasa bigit silang 20, sir. Mga
20, tapos ganyan kalaki na.
as per requirement din nila, sir, kasi nakailang ano din kami dyan, sir. Nakailang
Sino ba nagbigay ng plan?
actually, sir, to be honest, it was adapted from the civil service kasi during the meeting, sir, yes, sir, yan ang naging ano kasi ni project proponent.
Tama mong attention ng ano. Attention ng inauguration ng ano.
Siya. Civil service. Kaya if you see the layout, sir.
Ba't sabihin mo 100 empleyado doon, sobrang laki niya.
Hindi guys, sa civil service na rin. Marami, regional.
Yung civil service kasi examination room kasi isang floor doon eh.
Oo.
Examination room siya.
ICT lang yun.
Meron din silang ano, actually the third floor is solely used for training center din kasi nila, sir, sa mga ano din sir, di ba?
Baka ilang training ba sila sa, di naman training yung institution yung civil service pwede eh.
Yes, sir.
I-discuss mo muna kung saan aabot ng 9 point with dimension.
Engineer Andre,
Baka magka 6 spaces sa tayo, wala pa.
oral structural.
Hindi ko pero hanggang third. Imagine
Hanggang second lang ano yan.
then discuss first.
Ay po, actually
First lang yung purpose niya.
sir, sa
Sa kabim.
wala
Matapos na yung curve ng kukunan, di pa tapos siya muna yan.
Kung dyan, wala pa. Green beam lang. Polyester yung pagkita. May backfill.
yes po, sir.
Pero okay, na-discuss yun na doon sa DICT yung...
yes, sir, actually, sir,
na,
conducted na lahat of meeting na ano bago namin na finalize yan.
Pero
hindi yung limit nung gagawin natin sa
Alam naman ni ano sir, ni Director Pinky na by
Pesta lang.
fixing, yes sir, na hindi pa magagamit yun sa purpose.
Pero alam na din ni opponent.
Yes sir. Apo. Actually, siya yung nagsabi sa amin sir na yata ang civil service.
Tapos lot require a lot. Wala problema
Wala
dyan.
naman po problema.
Within the LGC.
Yes sir. Apo. In between ng GSIS sir, saka ng NAPOL ko.
Footing,
Hindi ako nagkakamali.
grade beam, saka yung column lang na parang
Yes, sir. Sa splicing.
10 million, 10 million?
malaki, 42 by 2. And then,
Sir, ano lang po, yung specify a note for scope of works for structural.
Na-address ko sir, naka-hatch na po yun. Yes po.
pa-concord nyo na yung plano.
Yes sir.
Ito nung may-ari.
Yung user.
Kata baka matapos na yung 30 kong...
Term ng proponent, hindi ba ako rin?
Next project sectors. Last.
There is project number 10, last project. Project ID 25BD0157. Project name, construction of POH, Regional Office and Training Center. Scope of work, construction of building. Approved budget for the contract is 9,800,000. Source of funds, GEA FY 2025. Project duration, 223 calendar days. And the amount of bidding the finance is 10,000 pesos. And the required project engineer,
I-visit nyo yung
project engineer.
series of 2025. Bagong project board yan. Bagong project. Lahat, pati
Again, good morning po. So, with regards to the OE training center, sir, this is construction of 23.5 by 10 meters,
Plan na...
0.5 by 10 meters millimeter. So, yeah, it is
Ilan story?
Floors, sir.
Two-story building, sir. So yung ground floor po nito, sir, is solely for office. And then yung second floor po niya, sir, yan ang magiging training center po natin, sir. So the scope of work po niya, sir, with respect to 10 million po na amount niya, sir. So ang scope of work po niya, sir, sa civil work, sir, is foundation, footing, columns, tie beams and roof fixture, wall footing, embankment, slab on fill, slab, and suspended slab, sir, slab of canopy, yung ledge po niya, sir, reinforced concrete po na gutter, sir. And then sa electrical works po, sir, is more on rafting slab po. And then same sa sanitary, sir, photograph.
Bali, hindi pa ready for
Yes, sir.
funds.
Tapos, dyan sa DOH compound,
Ang
kampi na yan eh.
ang
May
location
demolition
po
ba
niya,
dyan?
sir, ang location po niya, sir, naka-indicate naman po sa site din. So, nandun po siya sa mismong harapan po nung, ano, sir, yung existing building nila, sir, na malapit po dun sa gym. Then, kung naka-face po kayo dun sa mismong compound nila, sir, right side po siya, sir. Yan po yung area na designate po ni RD.
Yung natamaan na si Juan eh. Together na diversion road.
Yan doon talaga yung original na ano nila, sir.
Ha?
As per the survey na nila, sir.
Pero,
Robin.
ang
Pero-
location nito, architect, Karing.
Yes, sir, Karing po.
Eh paano yan kung nandyan yung together na diversion road? Oh, problema na naman yan.
Eh, ito naman na po yung na-fence ngayon, sir.
Ang problema dyan, may clearing yan later on.
Yes, sir.
Oo, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, dito nagsimula si P dyan dahil may clearing later
Yes,
on
sir.
dyan. Hindi nyo pwede ilagay yun dyan.
Hindi, sir, ito po yung proposed na. Ito, sir.
Eh bakit
Ito,
Plan na ito.
ito, sir, as per the survey talaga, ang talagang lote daw.
DOH.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Pero ang location niya, sir, nandito po siya, sir. Itong yung may hatching.
So may demolition ka?
Wala nang demolition. Meron, sir, pero more on doon sa pavement, existing pavement.
Okay.
Pero tama si Sir Jojo, baka the long run, problema yung kwan.
Ano, sir?
Yes, sir, wala
As you
yan.
can see, sir,
Survey lang
ito
yan,
po
sir.
yung ano, sir, yung paglalagyan natin. Ito kasi, sir, sa sa exact survey ng lote, sir, ng Intros.
Ay, para sumasi.
Yes, sir.
Pero yung
ito na
project natin nasaan yun?
Ito, sir, ito
Ah,
na
Pero may existing na naman.
yung ano, sir, ang tatanggalin lang natin, sir, yung pavement sa parking nila.
Ah,
Okay, sir, yun lang.
kailangan yung project. Permit for...
Wala naman, sir.
Bali, hindi ready for occupancy.
Yes, sir.
Pero yung columns mo hanggang 2-story.
Naka-hatch po to, sir, hanggang sa second floor po. Sir.
Second floor.
Yes. Naka-hatch naman po yung
May roofing na, wala pa slab.
Wala pa, sir. Meron lang siya, ano, sir, yung concrete slab natin ng ano, gutter, sir, yung side gutter. And then yung including sa parapets. Yung sa trusses, hindi pa namin naisahin.
Wala pa yung
Yes.
classes.
Pero meron ng second floor slab, sir.
Tingnan niyo, baka mamaya yung mag-tractor, nilevel lang yung bigay yung bracket ng column doon.
Hindi naman, sir, may mga training details naman po yun.
Detail yun, ah.
May mga details po yun.
Exit siya ng 1.8 is over 1.20.
Natin.
Naka-detail naman po siya, sir. Yes.
Yung naging kwan natin, may mahilin.
Ano po, sir? Check on the quantities from PLWF plan and also to provide details of the beam and slab.
Ayun. Yung
Meron
quantity daw, quantity.
Opo, na-address.
Bakit hindi ma-jam na wala?
Yes, sir. Baka may discrepancy yung ano, sir, yung summary quantities versus yung sa PAW.
Sa tao.
Yes, sir. Naka-hide kasi doon sa nung nag-rate namin, sir,
Kasi
naka-hide.
magkakamali si Sir Perch mamaya sa pagkakat ng ABC yung pangalan. Nagkamali yung quantity mo yan. Kaya may piniput na yun.
Na-address naman ng Mr.
Address.
Ito sa ABC lang.
Ay, preparation ng ABC.
ABC.
Sir Perch,
Sir.
nag-iikwan. Baka na yata tayo na pronouncement.
Concerns to all prospective bidders,
Additional info on the bidding.
the deadline of submission of bids will be on May 27, 2025, until 9 o'clock AM. And the deadline for the opening of bids will be on same date, sir. May 27,
After the
2025,
vision.
immediately after the deadline of the submission of bid. And the bidding documents and plan may be downloaded from the PhilJEPS and DPWH's website. That's all, sir.
Thank you. Yung sa mga prospective bidders natin, kung naman query kayo, feel free to come to office.
just look for the document with this document with it.
Late submission, sir, pag na-get sa atin.
Good submission. Any other?
Okay na sir.
Being no more this concern of the bank activities na learned. Thank you for supporting the
Sir, may shortlist mo, sir.
problema natin pang shortlist, isa